The following movie is rated I.
So we got this Himimi 65-foot retractable hose reel. Be a little more convenient than a wind-up hose reel. Let's get this hooked up and see how it works. Yeah, a little over 6 feet of hose to connect to your faucet. I really don't want to screw this to the side of the house I just did. I guess I could put it here. You can't use the electrical pole. That wouldn't be a good idea. Pretty solid. That'll work. Pressure wash that dented up skirting. Let's see how that works. There it is. Our little vacation home here. Been working on. Swings almost 90 degrees. Put the spray nozzle on. And put a little pressure to her. Bleed it out. Comb. Jet. Flat. Center. Angle, I don't know why that would be there. Soaker. Mist. Shower. Oh, we take a shower. And jet. Let's see how long this is. It says 65 feet. Oh, that's the end of it. Wow. Let's walk it off. I got about 64 feet. Pretty convenient. Let's see how it rolls up. Oh, you see that? Pretty good. It winds the hose on. Not bad. Let's get to pressure washing. See how it holds up to this Florida sun. Do some outdoor cleaner through this. See how that works. Between that 65 feet and this, I should be able to make it around this 42 foot, 43 foot trailer. Mobile home, manufactured home. Smells like chlorine. That's probably all it is. Work good on the door. Boy, that's dirty and dented. I can flush out my engine a little easier now. All done with this. That didn't work out too bad. some of that's like, I don't know what, paint. It was taken off all the way to the aluminum, so I think that's good. Let's see how this retracts. You gotta pull it one click. Huh, pretty good. Not bad, actually. So if you're looking for one of these, I'll put the links down below in the description. And of course on MotoCheez.com. Pretty cheesy.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.